Hi everyone, welcome to hashtag simple stamping. On the second Saturday of each month I'm going to post according to Stampin' Up's challenge to us demonstrators. Every month they give us sort of a challenge for hashtag simple stamping. So this month our theme is anything, and our supplies that we're allowed to use are stamps, ink, paper, and an embellishment. And I'm not using designer series paper this time. I actually pulled out two stamp sets, Easter Friends. We're going to use the bunny, the grass, and the sending warm and happy wishes this spring. And then because it is really an awful day here today, this Saturday, March 12th, I brought in Kite Delight, which I've used before. But we're going to use this little sunshine for the warmth, and then some clouds, okay? And the inks I'm going to use for the sun is Daffodil Delight. For the grass is Granny Apple Green. Coastal Cabana for the clouds, and Soft Suede for our bunny. And I haven't decided yet on what we're going to use, what color we'll use for the sending warm and happy wishes this spring. So we're not using any designer paper this time. I have a Coastal Cabana A2 card size, which is a nice bright happy spring kind of color. Oh, and we're also allowed to use an embellishment this time. I pulled out the Rhinestone Waves Basic Jewels, and one of the colors in here is supposed to be Coastal Cabana, I believe. Anyway, we'll play around and figure out which one looks best. Probably this one right here actually looks like it matches really good. So that's what we're going to do. I don't have a pre-done card. We're just gonna start and see what happens. I'm gonna start with the bunny. Actually, what I'm going to do first is try and figure out my placement. So I know I want the bunny, actually let's put him over here. So I think the sunshine will go over here, and we'll have a couple clouds throughout, but the sentiment I guess is going to have to go. Actually, let's put the sun over here, shining down on our bunny. And then the sentiment will go over here, and then we'll figure out the clouds afterwards, okay? So let's start with our bunny, because he's the biggest thing on the card. This is a piece of basic white, cut 5 1/4 by 4. So far I have 2 pieces of cardstock and my stamps. And I'm trying to keep it fair. I don't want him up too high because isn't he just adorable? Now you could, if you want to step it up, which I'm not going to do today. I usually do, but I'm not. You could color him in a little bit with crumb cake, or maybe ivory for this part, something like that. So let me set this aside. Now let's get Granny Apple Green, a nice bright green for spring. And I'm going to bring in a scrap paper, and we're going to stick that under here because I'm probably going to go off the edge of the card a little bit for the grass. And I'm going to do some dark colors, and then up here we're going to do it again but lighter, and that adds some depth to the where the bunny is, so he's not like sitting, you know, in nothing. I'm going to stamp off a little bit. I'm actually just going to go all the way across here with the grass, maybe just like that, and then stamp around. Just stamp around and get that ink off your stamp. There's our grass. Now actually let's stamp our sunshine so we know where we can put the clouds and the sentiment. So this is out of the Kite Delight. Put this over here too. Once I use it, I'll put it out of the way. Oops, sorry. Now I think this sun also has some smiley faces and stuff, but I don't think I'm going to use that for now. One sec. Okay, I'm back. So now let's figure out our sentiment. I think we'll use, let me think. If we're going to we're going to use Coastal Cabana for the clouds. So I think we're going to go back to the soft suede for the sentiment. Well, let's put that on first. Now if you wanted, you could get another piece of paper to put your sentiment on, but that is what we're going to do there. Alright, and now I do want a few clouds on here because we just need a little something, you know, up a little higher. And also maybe over here off the page. Alright, so we're going to kind of go off the page here and up here and over here. Oops, a little light there. Put one down here and maybe another one over here. Just to add a little background. I'm going to try and see if I can get that one again. I might be able to. I don't know. I get nervous about doing that. Yeah, I did the same problem. It's okay. And now we're allowed to use embellishments, but let's put this on our card base first. So I think that's cute as it is, right? Simple stamping. Move this out of the way. And adhesives. You need adhesives of some kind. You can use seal, you know, the tape runner, or I like wet glue because it gives you a little bit of wiggle room to straighten things out. And let's put our embellishments on. So this is a really easy card, but just a cute thing to send someone on a, especially like today here is sleeting right now, and apparently we're expecting snow later, and yeah, we'll see what happens. All right, I think we'll just put a few of these embellishments around. Put one over here and one up here. This guy wanted to escape anyway, so we'll put that maybe up here. Isn't that cute? I think we could have used a little more grass there, but it's okay. Warm and happy wishes this spring. Very easy card to make. Very cute. And let's do the inside actually, which also just is another piece of paper. And let's see what we want to put on the inside. Maybe just some clouds across the top or sunshine. What do you think? I think we'll just do a little sunshine. Or you know what we could do? We could get the little chickie out of here. Let's do that. We'll have the chickie down here in this corner. And maybe a sunshine up. Now I don't have this on a block off the sheet yet, so I'll show you how to do that too. So I just take the sticker off, and then I need another block. Oops. Here's a block. Sorry, my block is dirty. I apologize. Oops. And then the sticker will just stick onto the block. And then peel this off. Maybe. Probably be better to use your pick tool to get the sticker off rather than ruining your nails like I do. And then just turn this over and line it up so the sticker is on the foam. Alright, and then we'll do a little chickie right down here in the corner. A bright yellow chickie. And a bright sunshine we're going to put in there again, I think. Actually, I changed my mind. Let's put a cloud up there because that way we'll have two colors inside. Alright. And let's get the paper again because I'm going to go off the card again, I think. I don't know what I got on there. There we go. Alright. So here we go. This way. And we'll just do a few clouds here and there. There. That is it for our hashtag simple stamping. We'll just put that inside the card and then we'll be done. And all we used is some inks, 2 stamp sets, and some embellishments. Quite easy. And you could step it up by bringing in designer paper and ribbon, putting the cinnamon up on another piece of paper and bumping it up with dimensionals. There's all kinds of ways to make this a more elaborate card, but since this is hashtag simple stamping, that's what we're doing for today. I hope you enjoyed the process and I hope you'll give it a try. Just get out your stamps and stamp away. Experiment, and if you don't want to do it on your cardstock, get out a piece of copy paper and just practice. In fact, I do suggest whenever you get a new stamp set, this was brand new to me, to test your stamps and see how they work, like I did here with the bunny, and just get a feel for how they stamp before you stamp on your cardstock. And I could have put also my friend, sending you warm and happy wishes this spring, my friend, or something like that. Or this is a really cute set for Easter, which I'll probably use again with designer paper. So I'll probably step this up, but in a different session. All right, everyone, and also don't forget the Kite Delight, really cute set. I've used it before. I used this flower, but that's not for today's session. I did that not too long ago, so go back and watch some of my other videos and lives. So that's it. A little bit of clouds and sunshine, sending warm and happy wishes this spring. Does look like a spring card, doesn't it? Take care. Have a great day. Be safe out there, everyone. Bye.